Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix your Xiaomi REDMI Pad 2 heating while charging. So first, it's normal when you use your device, when you charge your device using the fast charging method. So it's very normal and you shouldn't be worrying about that. Basically, what you guys can do is check for background apps causing heat and high power consumption. So basically, go to the security app. Now let's open the battery, and here we need to go to battery checkup, and here we can, let's say, clear memory 10 minutes after locking the device. And here we have a lot of more, like close map stats, drains battery is already optimized, as you guys can see. But in the settings of the battery, now here, let's scroll down. It's here what we can do is check for those background apps. So scroll down, click more apps, and here, let's say, we'll check the CPU total and foreground. Also here we can restrict the app toggle to not work in the background. So let's click OK. And now we restricted camera to be working in the background. Now what we can also do is use the original charger and cable and avoid using the tablet while charging. So do not game on it, do not watch YouTube, and just keep it until it's charged. What you guys can also do is, if you have a case for the REDMI Pad, then remove the case because it will improve the heat dissipation. Basically, a heat trapped in the case will be let go, so it's very good if your tablet is heating very much. So remove the case and charge it in a cool and ventilated area. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.